As a real estate agent, clients are your most important connections. To that end, a free real estate CRM or customer relationship management solution can help you track your potential, present, and past clients, and help you secure them. CRM software is used in virtually every industry, but you might not want to spend a lot of money on a real estate CRM software solution until you better understand what you need and what you want. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best free real estate CRM options, the benefits of real estate CRM software, and how to get the most out of them. Here are the timestamps for what we're going to be covering today, so you can either forward to the part you're most interested in or watch all the way through. First, we're going to cover what is a CRM system. Then we're going to talk about the 9 best real estate CRM systems, including Hubspot, Insightly, iXact Contact, Zoho, Freshworks CRM, Agile CRM, Real Office 360, Bitrix 24, and SalesRabbit. And finally, we're going to cover some of the frequently asked questions that I get about CRM systems. What's going on, everyone? I'm Kyle Handy, a realtor and team leader here in San Antonio, Texas. I help teach other realtors, team leaders, and brokers how to grow and scale their real estate business through digital marketing, content creation, social media, as well as tried and true methods. And if you want proven strategies that you can use to get more leads, closings, and scale your team, you'll love this video. Keep watching. So, what exactly is a CRM system and how can it help your real estate business? A CRM system is a customer relationship management suite that starts with tracking prospective leads. From there, a CRM solution logs all your customer touchpoints. You should be able to view your customer relationships, contact information, and marketing strategy with ease inside a real estate CRM. But not every CRM solution is tailored to real estate. If you want a free real estate CRM, you might also find yourself looking at general purpose solutions that nevertheless do what you want. Other CRM solutions are specifically designed for real estate business. CRM solutions will often integrate with sales and marketing suites, but some real estate business solutions are all in one. So now that you know why a CRM is helpful, let's get into the 9 best free real estate CRM solutions. First up is Hubspot. While it's not specifically dedicated for real estate, Hubspot is robust enough that it can be tailored to anyone's needs. Perhaps most importantly, it's backed by the power of HubSpot. HubSpot is a leader in the world of marketing and sales, so it's clear that its CRM system is tailored towards securing more sales down your pipeline. If you want something for aggressive lead generation, this solution is it. The HubSpot CRM includes pipeline management, automatic sales activity logging, and lead timelines. It's not going to dig deep into real estate business customization, but it's the perfect, lightweight, simple, and slick solution for those just starting out. Next is a CRM system called Insightly. Insightly doubles as both a CRM solution and marketing platform. While you'll see different tiers of pricing on the Insightly site, the platform remains free for up to 2 users. So if you're a real estate agent, it's really perfect for you. Insightly includes features such as lead routing, workflow automation, and the ability to send and track emails. These are robust solutions for a free CRM. In this CRM software, you can view your leads as they move down your pipeline and ensure that you're properly scoring and routing those leads. However, Insightly is not just for real estate. It's a free, general-purpose CRM solution, but because it's so well tailored towards lead generation, it's a good choice for a real estate professional trying to manage their funnel. Next up on the list, we have iXact Contact. This is a dedicated real estate CRM solution. iXact Contact is perfect for residential and commercial real estate professionals alike. Whether you're a full real estate agency or a solo real estate agent, iXact provides a wealth of features. Through the iXact Contact system, you can organize and manage your contacts, connect through your email, manage your agent website, automate your social media marketing, and create and coordinate teams. There's also a concierge service that can help you get started fast. But there is a caveat to iXact Contact. Eventually, you're expected to transition to the paid plan. iXact Contact is designed so that you can get the first 6 months free if you're new to the real estate industry, which is certainly enough time to start your lead generation and management process. Eventually, the product will be about $30 to $40 a month. Next up, we got Zoho. Zoho touts itself as being the gold standard for customer relationships. It is a CRM suite that is focused firmly on the support side of the CRM platform. Features of Zoho include Salesforce automation, predictive sales, team collaboration, mobile app management, and more. Out of the many solutions available, Zoho is undoubtedly one of the most advanced. Zoho can manage everything from your social media to your emails for you. At the same time, this type of robust marketing can come at a cost. The free edition of Zoho CRM gives 3 users access to leads, documents, and mobile apps. But if you want to get the most out of its features, such as being able to automate emails, you'll want the paid version. Luckily, the paid version starts at only $14 per user per month. Once you get to the professional version of Zoho CRM, you gain access to the more advanced features like Zia AI, Command Center, multi-user portals, and Canvas. Altogether, this will make it far easier for you to manage your campaigns. Next, we have Freshworks CRM. Freshworks CRM is one of the most highly rated CRM solutions in the industry. Not only does it come with robust app integration options, but it also comes with features such as contact management, being able to call directly to your clients, deal management, and email integration. The free version of Freshworks CRM supports its mobile app, built-in chat, email, phone, contact, lifestyle sages, and contact and account management. But if you want to pay for the paid version of the tool, you can also get multiple sales pipelines, time-based workflows, AI-powered insights, chat campaigns, and WhatsApp business support. Freshworks CRM has quite a few professional features, making it an excellent all-around tool for those who need to manage many contacts and leads, those in charge of a big team, and those who generally want to improve their reach. Moving down the list, we have Agile CRM. Agile CRM is an all-in-one customer relationship management package that can help a single real estate professional scale their business. This software includes contact management, social media management, websites, email scheduling, and more. The Agile CRM package comes as an installable app that functions not only as a CRM solution, but also as a personal assistant. Want to learn more about social media for real estate agents? Check out my other video I'll link above here. Like the others, it's not dedicated real estate software, but it's customizable enough to be able to support a real estate sales process and sales pipeline. If you want a tool that you can use easily on mobile, this is an ideal solution. As we make our way to number 1 on our list, number 3 is RealOffice 360. RealOffice 360 is targeted specifically towards real estate agents. RealOffice 360 focuses on being a simple, easy to use real estate CRM platform. For a solo practitioner or any small business, RealOffice 360 makes it possible to count potential buyers and sellers without having to dig deep into the CRM itself. With RealOffice 360, you can build a client database, track follow-ups, and view reports on prospective leads. You can view leads from initial contact to closing, and everything is done through an elegant, streamlined mobile CRM solution. RealOffice 360 is a free solution that includes some advanced features, such as the ability to keep detailed client notes, track properties, and even remember information about a client's family. You can upload your files to the CRM solution and then share them to better streamline and foster your customer relationships. RealOffice 360 is primarily tilted towards solo agents, which means that it can make it harder to assign tasks or manage a team, but for solo agents, the free price and customer support options are hard to beat. Next up is Bitrix 24. Bitrix 24 is a free CRM solution that supports an unlimited number of users. It focuses on lead generation. In this platform, you can see your sales funnels, pipelines, and data analytics. You can even automate your pipelines for easier management. Bitrix 24 also helps you find leads and generate interest on social media through messengers and DMs. Email marketing, text messaging, and telephone calls are also options for lead generation. Speaking of email marketing, if you'd like to check out my email marketing strategy, I'll link my video above. The free version provides nearly all the features of the Bitrix 24 platform. At a minimum, it's enough to decide whether it's the right tool for you. You can have unlimited users, but some features are only available in the premium versions. The premium version of Bitrix 24 also includes marketing support, online documents, sales intelligence, business process automation, HR, and administrative support. If you want a fully automated workflow, the automation through Bitrix 24 can help. Bitrix 24 isn't just a customer relationship management suite, but can help you with all of your marketing campaigns and project management as well. And last but not least is SalesRabbit. SalesRabbit is a free real estate focused CRM solution. It's available in both iOS and Android and has some unique features such as the ability to place leads on a map, track them visually, and sort them by status. If you want a simple, easy to use mobile solution, SalesRabbit is a great choice. Through SalesRabbit, you can send your appointments, get reminders, and even plan routes. SalesRabbit isn't anywhere as robust as a traditional CRM solution, but it provides real estate agents with the essential lead generation and lead management support they need. If a real estate agent just wants a simple tool, this is the best option. But if they want advanced features like marketing and sales support, marketing automation, or robust sales and marketing reports, SalesRabbit isn't going to be the right product. Now, let's move into some frequently asked questions about CRM systems. The first one I get is it better to purchase a CRM solution or go with the free version? As with most software, you'll find that the free real estate CRM solutions don't always have the features you need. A premium solution will usually have better integration and superior feature sets. That being said, it's also a question of which features you want. If you don't lean heavily into marketing, big data, and AI, a free solution may be just fine. The next question I get: how can you find the best CRM solution? Nearly every CRM solution out there today provides a free demo. The free demo is the perfect way to determine whether the solution does what you need it to do for your real estate business. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Also, hit that thumbs up button and give this video a like, as it helps my videos reach more real estate agents looking to grow their businesses. And by the way, if you're interested in a real estate CRM system and potentially partnering with me at eXp, head over to my partner page and check out the exclusive benefits that you receive. I've already partnered with nearly 100 agents across the country to help them increase their real estate business and generate more leads. And with eXp Realty, we get KV Core included with our monthly fees of $85. Plus, when you partner with me, you receive free access to all of my current and future paid courses, which you can find on academy.kylehandy.com. Additionally, you get access to my private Facebook community called The Dream Team, where I go live multiple times per week. Head over to kylehandy.com/partner for more information. Finally, if you've made it this far, I want to thank you. Type #NCrew in the comments to let me know that you've watched to the end. And now I want to turn it over to you. Let me know in the comments below what CRM you're using or which one you're thinking of trying. Until my next video, be well and get out there and sell some homes.